Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're having an awesome day. And I'm here with a little teeny tiny haul that I'm going to share with you. Just a couple items from Ollie and the rest from the Dollar Tree. So I went to Ollie's for something else. But while I was there, I saw these napkins and I don't need any more napkins. But I have the rhino and giraffe, I think, yeah. And so this is the elephant. I believe it's the lion is the other one. So I was trying to get all four of these. I like these, and I've made some ATCs out of these before, and some other, I used some other backgrounds before on different things on the canvas and stuff. So I like this safari look, and I use it on a layout as well with my Julie Nutting dolls. So anyway, I wanted to get that. It was only $1.29, so it's a great price. And so I have plenty to, got 20 in here, so I'm sure I can give some away. The other thing I picked up there was this KJ Bible, which I was glad to get. I got it because one, it was King James. It's hard to find King James with a lined Bible on the side. I just wanted one I can write in. I will say, it doesn't have all of my special features that I like, but I do write in all my Bibles. Not necessarily journal. I don't do journaling in them, but I write in them for my notes. And so I just wanted to get one that had some room to write in it. So I got this one, and I just wanted to see how it looks inside. It said it has some maps. Yeah. So it's got a ribbon. I don't think it's red letter because it didn't mention it at all being a red letter. Oh, it is. Okay, it is red letter. And a few maps in the back. And I think what else it has, let's see. Lined, wide margins, lay flat binding, and paper perfect for note-taking. Daily Bible reading plan. And plan of salvation. 8 4-colored maps of 1-year Bible reading. Yeah, Bible reading plan. Presentation page. And 58-page concordance. And it's supposed to lay flat so that you can write in it. So that's all that I got from there. This is a cloth, but it's still sturdy. I can actually paint over it or something if I like to, or decoupage or something on it, which I may do, may not, who knows. But anyway, and that's it from Ollie's, and then I'll show you the rest from the Dollar Tree. I just picked up a couple more of these little storage crafter squares, storage boxes. They had them red, white, and pink, and I just got red and a pink. And this one has little pieces in it. So you can divide them out. But this one doesn't have any. I didn't just notice that. Oh, it does. I just didn't hear it. Alright, it didn't shake like this one. I just picked up this one stencil, which I don't think I have. Create Your Own Happiness and Don't Stop Until You're Proud. I don't think I've seen that one, or had that one. I picked up 3 of these 8.5 by 11, 9 by 11.5, excuse me, photo mailers. And I picked up 2 packs of these safari animal print pencils. I just thought they were cute and funky. I like those. Hadn't seen those. And then I got this from Walmart. This is a mixed media, lay flat binding, heavyweight, wet or dry media, 160 pages. So, and it was like $8, you know, way cheaper than Michael's. And so I liked it because it's stitched, and yeah, you can take either medium. So I do have, you know, this one that I got from Michael's, which I like, but the problem is the pages on this one, I mean, like, you know, it just bleeds through, and that's just ink, and if you have markers and stuff, like, it just comes through. So I have to skip over the other page. I don't like that. But I'm hoping this one, since it says wet or dry media, it says acrylics, watercolors, and sketch, so that if I did use a marker on it, it won't come through. So this, of course, is going to have some mixed media in it, a glue book or something, I don't know. But anyway, I was excited to get it for less than $8. So that is a tiny haul for at the moment. If I think of anything else, I will add on to this. But if not, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. I pray that you guys will have a wonderful day. I would love for you to like and subscribe to this channel and come back and check me out again. But either way, I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.